Hey, look, here we are once again, one of our 427 Chevy small blocks. We do give you your bang for your buck. This happens to be our 427 550 package. When you check out the video, just got done making about 619 horsepower at 5,600. He's got these beautiful AFR heads. We got a dark block. We got a forged rotating assembly with an H-beam rod, forged pistons, and a steel roller, steel crankshaft in this. Got a nice hydraulic roller cam. We have ear gap intake, Holley carburetor, MSD distributor. Hey, we custom build each and every engine in the house. This pan happens to be a T-Sum Canton pan that works for Corvettes. So again, we build custom so you can get the project to fit in your car and run great. So again, here at Performance Unlimited, it gets no better than give us a call, tell us what you want, and let the professionals build it for you. Hey, thanks, enjoy the video. This is one of our 427 Chevy engines with AFR heads.